Hey lovely people, Couponing Crystle here with another Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. I actually am finishing up my fresh start bonus with these 10 rebates, and I want to share it with my lovely people. Alright, lovely people, now before we jump into the video, let's give a shout out to my new Shopkick joiners. I had 2 people to sign up with my referral code on Shopkick, and I appreciate you guys so very much. Thank you. Now, the thing about it is I don't know who it was, so unfortunately, I can't shout you out because it doesn't show your name when you sign up. It just says my friend. Okay, so thank you, friend. All right, so let's jump into the video, guys. The first rebate I did was on the pull-ups. I got the pull-ups for my grandbaby, and they were priced $8.47 in my Walmart. There is a $3 coupon from the 1-3 Smart Source that I used. Now, let me tell you about that coupon. That coupon beat. And I waited about 5 minutes for them to get over there and decide how they were going to put this coupon through, and they ended up putting it through as a vendor coupon. So just keep that in mind if you decide to use that coupon. The verbiage on the coupon is correct because it says it's not valid for counts 7 and below. I think it's something like that. But this is a pack of 17, so why wouldn't it work? You know, so I don't know, guys. It beat, so just keep that in mind. I paid in store. They put it through as a vendor coupon. Paid in store $5.47. Now, there is actually 2 rebates that are attaching to the pull-ups. All right. Now, the right rebate for this is a $1 rebate. But there is also a $3 rebate that is attaching to this, guys. Okay. So, that's just up to you if you want to allow both of them to go through. Okay. So $3, $1, $4 coming back, making the final cost $1.47 for the pull-ups. A great deal. I also got 84 points back from uploading or scanning my receipt for Fetch rewards. Okay. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the all laundry detergent. Okay. And I think after this, it's probably going to only set maybe one more time because, you know, I only get one when I do this rebate. So it's priced $6.97. There is a $1 coupon from the 1-3 Retail Me Not that I use. I pay $5.97 in store, and there are 2 rebates that is attaching to this, guys. There is a $2.50 rebate, $2.50 rebate, and there is a $2 rebate. Okay, let me tell y'all this. I had a couple of y'all in the comments to say the rebates, both of the rebates did not work for you. The reason is you probably got the wrong one, okay? The double rebates is only going to work on this one. This one right here. This one right here that says the free and clear, clean and care with fabric smooth. I'm saying this is the only one because there is another one that is a 88 ounce, and it don't have that on there, and it does not attach to both rebates. Okay, so perhaps you just glancing at the video, you just seen that, and you just said, "Oh, that's the right one." No, it's not. That's why I said in store, scan. Okay. Now, let me say this. That's up to you guys. If you want to allow these extra rebates to attach to that item, you can unclick it. But I'm not going to unclick it, okay? I'm going to let it go through. So that's up to you if you want to do that. Okay. Final cost after the $2.50 and the $2 coming back, $1.47. Okay. The next rebate, guys, was on the Purdue Harvestland Chicken. Okay, this particular chicken, you know, chicken is priced different prices because it's by the pound. Okay, but this particular pack was $4.28. This is actual chicken thigh fillets. Okay, so It was $4.28. I didn't have a coupon, so I paid $4.28 in store. There is $1.25 Purdue Harvestland rebate from Ibotta, okay? Making the final cost $3.03 for the pack of chicken. The next rebate I did, lovely people, was for the Well Yes. And I do believe the tomato and sweet basil is the one that my sister said that was pretty good. So I'll probably maybe put this in my husband's lunch some type of a way. This was priced $1.78 in my store. I paid $1.78. Didn't have a coupon, but there is $1.98 free after the rebate from Ibotta. So after the $1.98 coming back, it is a 20-cent moneymaker. So I got some free soup. That's great. That can be a prepper pantry item. Yes. The next thing that I got, guys, was the Celestial Seasonings Tea. Now, this is priced $2.38 in my store. This is a BOGO rebate, so you must purchase the two. $4.76 is what I paid. There is a $1 off of two coupon that was in the 110 Smart Source from this past Sunday. However, Crystle only had one of those coupons and I used it the other day, so I don't have any more. So I paid $4.76, but if you guys have that coupon, you're going to pay $3.76 in store. Now, Ibotta is going to give you back $2.49 for purchasing the two, and you're going to scan Shopkick. In store, if you scan with Shopkick, you're going to get back 20 points, and if you upload the receipt, you're going to get 250 points for a total of 270 points, which is the equivalent of $1.08 coming back from Shopkick, which brings the cost down to $1.19 for the two for me. Or if you guys have that coupon, it's only going to be 19 cents after Shopkick and Ibotta. Great deal. Now the green energy tea, guys, I can also use this for the natural hair rinse for the shedding as well. You can do green tea or you can do black tea, okay? Now, the other thing about this, remember the other day when I did the black tea, guys? That's Shopkick. You got to watch Shopkick because in store, it was showing on Shopkick, okay? By the time, because I screenshotted it. But by the time I got out of the store and got home, gone off of Shopkick. Uploaded the receipt anyway. Once it returned the next day, it returned because I commented to some of you guys about it. Uploaded it. They did not give me the freaking points. So you got to watch that. I was just like, you know what? I ain't got time for it. It don't matter. Let it be. So I just went on and did it again. It is what it is. I'm not drinking this tea. I'm putting it in my hair. The next rebate I did, guys, was on the Kraft Mac and Cheese. Kraft Mac and Cheese was priced 98 cents in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay the 98 cents. There is a 20-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 78 cents for the Kraft Mac and Cheese. This is a great donation item. You can give it to a pantry, or if you're trying to do your own prepper pantry, here you go, guys. You put you a block of Velveeta up in this, they gonna think you made some homemade macaroni and cheese. The next rebate, guys, I did was for any gum, okay? There's an any gum rebate for 10 cents, and you know the any item rebates are counting towards the Fresh Start bonus, okay? Now, I wanted to get the cheapest gum I could find, Juicy Fruit and Spearmint. That Wrigley gum is not attaching to the rebate, but the Trident did. This is the $1.12 pack. So I had to pay $1.12 in store, got back my 10 cents, making the final cost be $1.02. Not too bad. I'm just trying to get the allotted rebates that I needed so I can get my $10 cash. The next rebate and the final rebate, got my Mike and Ikes, guys. I had an any candy rebate. They love giving Crystle any rebates, okay? Because they know I'm gonna use them. So the any candy rebate, I actually got the Mike and Ikes, and it was 98 cents in my Walmart. So I paid 98 cents. I got back the 10 cents, making the final cost be 88 cents for the Mike and Ikes. And I like Mike and Ikes. All right, guys. So the total of everything was $29.34. I did happen to have $4 in coupons, which dropped my cost to $25.34. Now, I did have $5 in Shopkick. Come through, Shopkick. Shopkick. I'm telling you, this is the reason why you guys need to sign up with Shopkick, because I accumulate $5 so quickly with Shopkick. I'm just saying. So I used a $5 Shopkick gift card, and that dropped my cost to $20.34 in store. So that's what I paid in store. And of course, to pay for this haul, I rolled over some Ibotta money. Of course, I always use Ibotta money to pay for my hauls. Now, what I got back in rebates was $14.62. And I got my $10 Fresh Start bonus. Yes. And I'm going to get back $1.08 from Shopkick, guys, which is going to make the final cost for this haul absolutely free and a $4.38 money maker. I love Ibotta cash. Yo, guys, I love Ibotta. Can y'all tell I do Ibotta more often than I do anybody else because it's fun. And I get other stuff that I don't have a coupon for. Okay? Look at that. Got chicken. I done got chicken twice this week. You can't beat that. I'm just throwing it in my freezer. Shoot. Crystle gonna have some food if they shut us back down. Just saying. That is it, guys. Shout out to all my lovely people, my new subscribers, all my faithful, lovely people that watch Coupon and Crystle every time. I appreciate you guys so very much. I hope you guys have a wonderful and prosperous rest of the week. A happy New Year to you guys. If I have not commented that to you, or I have not been able to let you guys know, I hope you have a blessed and prosperous 2021. Yeah. So let us know in the comments below, have you finished your Fresh Start bonus? Have you done it? You probably got maybe a couple of more days. So go ahead and get those rebates done so you get that extra $10 of Ibotta money. All right, that's it. Remember, clip to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.